Welcome to another episode of the Any Connector podcast, where we break down the complex world of integration into bite-sized, digestible insights. I'm your host, and today we're stepping out of the server room and into the kitchen. Have you ever looked at your tech stack and felt like you were reading a confusing restaurant menu? Well, grab a seat, because today's episode is all about the API menu. What's really cooking in your tech stack? Think of your tech stack like a restaurant menu. When you flip through a menu, you know that some items are fresh, some might be a little stale, and some are just hidden. Maybe they are outdated dishes, or maybe they are hidden gems. Your technology is exactly the same. Some of your APIs are modern and fresh. Others, they are legacy relics buried deep in the code. And here is the scary part. Without visibility, your restaurant might be serving stale data. That means things get slow, inconsistent, and confusing for everyone. Let's break down the ingredients. What's actually on this menu? First, you have the Fresh REST APIs. These are your snappy appetizers. They are clean, scalable, and predictable, like shared JSON. These are the crowd pleasers. Then, you have the legacy SOAP endpoints. These are those overly complex main courses. They are secure, sure, but they are heavy and definitely outdated. And finally, the ones you have to watch out for, the hidden or undocumented APIs. These are the mystery specials that nobody really trusts. The difference between a great guest experience and a total disaster often comes down to simply knowing what is on the menu and knowing how to call the kitchen. In the digital world, APIs are your waiters. They connect the front of house, like your ordering apps or loyalty systems, with the back of house operations. They have three main jobs. First, take orders requests and pass them to the system. Second, deliver data, like inventory, sales, and guest profiles, back to your tools. And third, enable real-time analytics, dynamic menus, and instant promotions. This is why open APIs are such a game changer. When APIs are open and well documented, they give third-party tools room to integrate. Think cloud POS, delivery apps, and self-service kiosks, all working in sync. This flexibility allows for centralized menu updates across all platforms and accurate order routing from apps to the kitchen or fulfillment. It even allows for real-time pricing and inventory changes. But, and there is always a but, having the ingredients isn't enough. You need a skilled chef. You need orchestration. That is exactly what an integration platform like Any Connector does. It acts as the chef that transforms fragmented APIs into a cohesive, all-in-one integration platform. Whether it's POS integrations or custom API integration for any tool you've got, Any Connector standardizes the data, scales with you, and keeps the experience fresh. Let's look at the circuit to supper path. Picture two different kitchens. Kitchen 1 has no integration. It's a rat's nest of APIs, hidden points, and weird errors. It relies on manual syncing and guesswork about who ordered what. It's full of legacy silos and slow innovation. Now look at Kitchen 2, running with Any Connector. Here, you have smooth, visible APIs that the chefs, your teams, actually understand. You have automatic, event-triggered API updates. It is a modular, cloud-native, and future-ready architecture. To wrap this up, your tech stack should delight, not confuse. Treat your APIs like ingredients. Fresh ones fuel agility, while hidden ones slow everything down. Integration is the recipe for clarity, speed, and a seamless experience. So, let AnyConnector be your executive chef, bringing the best APIs to the plate, beautifully. If you are ready to serve a tech stack worth tasting, visit us at anyconnector.com. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on the next episode.